Hey guys, so in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can change your input for your Koorui monitor. So it's super simple. When you're going to have your Koorui monitor, right there under color, you are going to find input. So go to the menu. It's going to be on the side, on the right side of your monitor, or on the bottom of your monitor. You will find it like in a matter of seconds. And when you're going to just use arrows there, you're going to find input, and you can change the input to something else. And that's it, how you're going to do it. So you're going to go to the Koorui monitor, and there you're going to find the input, and the input you just want to press there, and there you can just change to something else. So that's it.